radio station WXJ57 in South Bend. Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX. The current time is 11:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here are the 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time weather conditions. At South Bend, skies were clear. The temperature was 75 degrees, the dew point 63, and the relative humidity 66%. The wind was southwest at 20 miles an hour, gusting to 33. The pressure was 29.60 inches and rising. Around the region, it was clear, with a temperature of 75 at Goshen, 72 at Logansport, and 73 at Warsaw. Under clear skies, Benton Harbor reported at 77, Sturgis reported at 73, and Lafayette reported at 75. It was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 75 at Grand Rapids, and 77 at Chicago. It was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 73 at Fort Wayne, and 74 at Indianapolis. Here is a regional view of the weather. Mild southwest flow will persist into tonight and Tuesday, with lows near 70 degrees tonight and highs ranging between the upper 70s and low 80s on Tuesday. A cold front will drop through Tuesday afternoon, bringing low chances for an isolated rain shower, with mainly dry and slightly cooler conditions expected in its wake Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Chances for a widespread rain event then increase Wednesday afternoon into Thursday as a low-pressure system lifts through. Cooler and mainly dry conditions are then expected to follow Friday into next weekend. Now here is the forecast. Tonight, mostly clear through midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Breezy. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest wind 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Tuesday, partly cloudy in the morning, then a 20% chance of showers early in the afternoon. Mostly sunny late in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Southwest wind 15 to 20 miles per hour becoming northwest 5 to 15 miles per hour in the afternoon. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Cooler. Lows in the lower 50s. North wind around 5 miles per hour. Wednesday, mostly sunny in the morning, then partly cloudy with a 30% chance of rain in the afternoon. Highs around 70. East wind around 5 miles per hour shifting to the northeast in the afternoon. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy through midnight, then becoming cloudy. A 50% chance of rain. Lows in the lower 50s. Northeast wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. Thursday, cloudy with a 40% chance of rain. Highs in the lower 60s. North wind 5 to 15 miles per hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers. Lows in the mid-40s. Friday, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of showers in the morning. Highs in the mid-50s. Friday night, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of rain toward daybreak. Lows in the lower 40s. Saturday, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of rain in the morning. Highs in the upper 50s. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 40s. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-40s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. And the nearshore marine forecast for the following: New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan. Small craft advisory in effect through Tuesday afternoon. Overnight, southwest wind 20 to 25 knots. Gusts up to 35 knot gales. Partly cloudy. Waves 4 to 7 feet. Tuesday, west wind 15 to 20 knots veering northwest 5 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Gusts up to 25 knots in the morning. Partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. Waves 3 to 5 feet subsiding to 1 to 3 feet in the afternoon. Tuesday night, west wind 5 knots veering northwest after midnight. Mostly clear. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Wednesday, southeast wind 5 knots backing north in the afternoon. Slight chance of rain in the afternoon. Waves around 1 foot. The water temperature at the Michigan City water intake is 60 degrees, and 63 degrees at the St. Joseph water intake. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ57 in South Bend.